Kyle Horner, and I produce the shift on AM 800 on weekdays from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. And I'm the host of Live and Local on Saturday mornings from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. I started hosting Experts on Call, and Ben came in with me and we started talking about, basements and flooding. And I've had many floods, whether it was the old house or the new house. I've had a lot of floods. And I was very concerned about my sump pump that I have at this new house. And so I was talking with Ben about it there on Experts on Call, and he said that he could definitely help me out. So we've gone from there. And with the old house, 3 times we had floods in the basement. And then with the new house, it'll almost be 2 years that we've been in this new house, and we've already had 1 flood, and I'm still paying off the debt from fixing up that 1 flood. So when Ben said that, hey, we could take care of it at Advanced Basements, and then Brian came over a couple of weeks ago and told me what you guys would do and how to fix it, I just feel so much better that my basement is in much better condition and much safer. I would recommend this company. They've been spectacular, from, again, talking with Ben and Brian coming in a couple of weeks ago and coming down with me and talking to me for about a half an hour of what Advanced Basement is going to do, what Joel's going to do when he comes in here. And when Joel came in here today, it was perfect. He brought everything down, cleared out a little bit of room for him, but he did everything. He put the system together in the back of his truck so he didn't keep the house dirty. And then when he went down there, he was in and out in basically an hour, and then explained everything to me. I'm not great with mechanics, I'm not great with building anything, but I actually know how that pump works and actually know what to do if there is an emergency now. And I gotta say, my basement is actually cleaner with Joel coming in than it was before he came in. I mean, what is not to recommend? It's just spectacular, and I just feel so much better. I won't be losing sleep overnight. As somebody, again, that's had almost 5 floods in 2 different houses, it's a really scary time. I needed a company to come through with me, and that's what Advanced Basements did. And again, just, second to none, whether it was Ben, Brian, Joel, these guys are great, and I would definitely recommend them.